What up, guys? We're going to be replacing the Roush badges with fresh, new Stage 3 Roush badges. This is just a filler in the meantime because I'm going to get black 5.0 badges for this. Yeah, it faded out pretty bad. I don't know. I don't even know how it did it that quick. But anyways, we're going to replace them and have these on in the meantime. Let's get into it.
Alrighty, guys, we're going to take the first Roush badge off here. Come off easy. We're going to hit it with the heat gun next to get the residue off left behind. Just going to hold the heat gun on there. Make sure not to get the paint too hot. Just get the residue left over warmed up so it's easy to remove. We'll be back. So we're just going to hit the residue with a little bit more heat. We rubbed it down with some Goo Gone. And yeah, we're just going to take a couple minutes to warm it up, aren't we, Brody?
Yep.
Alrighty, so we couldn't get all the adhesive off. It's very sticky, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's insane. So we're going to put the new badge on this side, though.
Put that a little down.
Looks pretty good, don't it?
Right there.
I'll tell you, it looks pretty good. We're just going to apply a little bit of pressure. Then it should be installed. You cozy down there, Brody?
Yeah.
We got the badge on. That's how it looks on the car. Looks pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty good. It'll hold until we get the new badges.
So Brody wasn't very satisfied with the way his new Roush badges look. So
They were temporary.
So we're taking them off and we're installing new 5.0 badges. We're going to go ahead and get these ripped off and install the new ones.
Alright, so we're about to put the other side in, this 5.0 badge. What's cool about the Ford Performance one is with these 5.0 badges, they already line, they have a little stuff to line it in, which is actually cool. But yeah, we're going to put this on in. Cool deal. The thing is, I want to get that whole, yeah.
Make sure you keep pressure on it and all that. So what Brody's doing is just keeping pressure on it. And look how they look. They look perfect. What do you think, Brody?
Dude, it looks awesome. A lot better than them Roush badges.
No, I definitely think the 5.0 badges make the car look so much better. What do you think?
Yeah, 100%, dude. That's how it used to look before I owned it. Well, the person before me actually bought it and then put Roush badges and stuff on it. But in the videos that I seen of the car before I got it, it had those exact badges on it, and I think that's how it should be.
Definitely. No, they look fantastic. Alright guys, that's us installing the new 5.0 badges. We'll be back here soon to do more stuff to the car.
Yeah, probably a new belt.
New belt, so see y'all.